Okay, first, acute. What does that mean? That means like I fall, get hurt, car accident, something, I hurt myself immediately until about 3 months. This is going to be what we consider an acute situation. So most of the time you're gonna come in with pain, some type of inflammation, some type of ligament issue, tendon, cartilage issue. If you're really bad, you flared up your disc issues or flared up a nerve, numbness, tingling, headaches, weakness anywhere. And then if you had some type of scar tissue development, okay? So these are some of the protocols that we work with these specific injuries. So pain, always get Boswellia complex and Salergesic. Honestly, it's pretty interesting. They've done, especially with the Salergesic, is they've had a study where they did actually hardcore painkillers, and then they used this also on like a 6-month stint on patients, and they both had a nice downward trajectory. Both were working, decreasing pain, but after about 3 to 4 months, they stopped. The people who were doing the all natural herbal type stuff kept on improving. The people who were on the hardcore narcotics, their pain levels went back up to what it was originally. So that's why we like a little bit natural is the better option. Okay, inflammation. Things are inflamed, tissues aggravated, etc. Boswellia is just a great natural herb to help calm down the inflammation in that area. So a lot of times the pain is coming from inflammation, but this one is specific for that. Turmeric is a great one also. Standard Process just came out with a new revitalized turmeric kind of like compound, and man, it's fantastic. It's Turmeric Forte. Good. Okay, so take a look at this. Those two together are fantastic. Now, if you have ligament injury, tendons, bursitis, cartilage, there's one called Ligaplex 1, okay? There's another one called Ligaplex 2. That is for chronic issues, something that's been longer than 3 months, chronic issue. Ligaplex 1 is designed to help these issues. Boswellia, again, is fantastic. Glucosamine synergy. So glucosamine is a type of salt. So what happens is it pushes the salt into the body, and what happens is whenever the tissue absorbs it, salt attracts more fluid. So then all of a sudden your joints become hydrated. And so then it doesn't hurt, doesn't ache, doesn't creak. That's the whole purpose of glucosamine synergy. So the synergy, a lot of times you can get your glucosamine things at a normal store. The bad thing is this one has like 3 salts and they work in unison with each other. Synergy means like there's other things that make the glucosamine more efficient and better. Your body absorbs it. They have that plan, that blend that blends everything together. All right, Calamo. All right, so this one's a weird one. This is another type salt. So I had this one happen to me personally. Like, freaking elbow was killing me. So what I did was I took some Calamo. You take 2 pills every 2 hours for 1 bottle. It's like a really tiny bottle. And then you have another bottle and just do it as needed. I mean, as it says directed. I think it's like 2 pills in the morning, 2 pills in the afternoon. What it does is it helps the, they were talking about the alkaline and acidity area of the tendon itself. It typically would become very acidic in the joint. So what this does is it has the salt to go permeate into that tissue to calm it down, to allow it to repair. Honestly, this one's like a little magic pill. This one's awesome. Okay, nerve pain, your numbness, tingling, disc issues, etc. Pain down the legs, pain into the arm. Neurotrophin PMG, okay, that's our go-to. The PMGs, when you see this on a Standard Process, what it is called is a protomorphogen. What it is your body is really trying to work on the DNA, RNA, the molecular area of that cell, and it allows it to repair. So neurotrophin is very specific to attack or attach to the nerves, the brain, the nervous tissue, okay? Neuroplex is a type of herb that goes right to the area to allow it to heal. So we have neurotrophin PMG allows it to calm down. This one allows it to heal. Nevaton Forte is another blend of herbs that allows it to be stimulated, okay? So you want it to calm down, let the body rest and relax. You want it to start feeding it good fuel, and then you want to start exciting that area to get it to fire again, okay? Last but not least, scar tissue. This could be just repair of the tissue too. That could be honestly for cartilage, tendons, etc. Go to cola, okay? It is a great thing to help. One thing that actually kind of is interesting is people who get the epidurals for surgeries or babies or whatever, and that puncture of the dura mater you've now had a system where it's supposed to have cerebral spinal fluid going down that whole sac, and now you punctured it, and now it will cause a tension in that area, and it could cause stuff all the way up to the spine and to the head, neck issues, headaches, etc. This stuff helps calm down that scar tissue, like tension, allows it to smooth out, so then when we do some of our adjustments, our muscle work and exercises, it allows it to function drastically better. So there's a lot of supplements in here, there's a lot of overlap. Typically the ones we always start with is the pain and inflammation, calm down that tissue, and then let's start working on the ligaments, bursitis, nerve issues, and any type of scar tissue.